you doing? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another Monday morning cleaning motivation video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic morning so far. If you haven't already done this, so grab your coffee, grab your cleaning supplies, and we're gonna go ahead and get into getting what we need to get done on Monday. So today I am going through random spots in our house and just decluttering because we're moving in really soon, and I basically have this week to pack everything up. And so I'm trying to work my butt off. This will be just a snippet. I'll have another video going out then the following week, and I hope you guys get some really good cleaning motivation because I need it. I'm actually gonna be watching some other cleaning videos. I've already watched a I Love Being a Mommy video, and I'm also starting a Love Meg cleaning video. So get your cozy clothes on. I am totally bumming it out today. A super soft sweater I got from Forever 21 the other day. They had like a $3 sale on a lot of clothes. So I got this, and then I've got my my super like baggy guy sweats on. So talking about real life, but let's go ahead and get on into cleaning this mess. And if you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's get to this.
Rethink what went wrong. Stop, don't wait till she kills you. Don't wait till she kills you. Don't wait for it to stop. We don't have much time, running out of time. Don't go round in endless worries. Your lack of faith makes you go under. Don't go round in endless worries. Just gather your senses and never let her, never let her. Wait, stop, rethink, it's just wrong. Stop, don't wait for her to kill you. Don't wait for her to kill you. Don't wait for it to stop.
Oh yeah, you're cool.
Never stop. It won't ever stop. Don't go round in endless worries. Your lack of faith makes you go under. Don't
Do you guys ever like pull blow up mattresses out and then they like never actually fit in the bags again? Oh my goodness. That's gonna be a feat for later, but
worries. Your lack of faith makes you go under. Don't go round in endless worries. Just gather your senses and never let her. Wait, stop, rethink what someone did. Stop, don't wait till she's killed you. Don't wait till she's killed you. Don't wait for it to stop. We don't have much time, running out of time. Don't go round in endless worries. Your lack of faith makes you go under. Don't you let her take your life. Just gather your senses and never let her, never let her. Don't go round in endless worries. Your lack of faith makes you go under. Don't go round in endless worries. Just gather your senses and never let her, never let her. Wait, stop, rethink what went wrong. Stop. When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter, and when everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born.
So I'm working on taking down different decoration items, and I've already taken down these curtains right here, up here. And I need to take down this mirror right here. Oh my goodness, there we go. I need to take down that mirror and just all the little decor pieces. So I took down this farmhouse sign. This was already, that was up there. And I'm just trying to clean things out. The place that we're moving is essentially fully furnished. So I'm gonna be going through my kitchen stuff and trying to get rid of stuff that I don't need. Like, I'm seriously getting rid of everything, like our dishes, all of that. If that's not in this video, it will be in the following week's cleaning video. So yes.
It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, don't you worry. Hey, don't you worry about a thing. You get what you're given, but it's never too late to spread your wings. Oh, I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. I see that it's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born. It's all over our bodies and hearts. Yeah, you and me been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start. Hey, been fighters right from the start. Been fighters right from the start.
Look who woke up! Look who woke up! Yeah. Did you wake up from your nap? Did you wake up from your nap? Yeah.
You were always smarter. I was the one to tag along. I remember how it started, to realize we're miles apart. Strange motions, like a shift in the flow. A change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In a paradise, unforgettable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night in the paradise. We can flee the night. Flee the night in the paradise. We can flee the night.
Do you remember where we used to be? Remember the places we used to see? You don't realize what they mean to me. We
Ready, set, go.
don't have to depend on destiny. We already know just what we feel. Just take my hand, I'll be all you need. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away. Though I have tried, I cannot forget. Can't seem to get it out of my head. The way that I felt the night we met. You stole my heart at first attempt. You made me believe in love again. Open my eyes with the things you said. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise we'll live on another day. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise you won't let them fade away. Hold on to the hopes and dreams we shared along the way, and promise we'll live on another day. And promise we'll live on another day. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so it go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't want